Have you ever thought about making butter?
Making butter?
Yes, that's right. We need to use science in the kitchen.
I can't wait!
Yay!
Yay!
So, are you ready to get started?
Yay!
Let's go!
You only need a few things for this kitchen science activity. So let's have a look. You will need some heavy cream, a jar with a lid, a measuring cup, and a strainer. Making butter seems far-fetched, doesn't it? But actually, it's not. It's all about science. So let's get started. Step 1. Use your measuring cup to measure 2/3 of a cup of the cream. Now pour the cream into the jar and put the lid on tight. Step 2. Now it's time to shake, and you've got to shake a lot. While we were shaking, the molecules in the cream were moving around. Shaking the cream causes the fat molecules to separate from the liquid and join together. The more you shake, the more fat molecules clump together to form butter. You can set a timer to see how long it takes. It took us about 7 to 8 minutes. That's a lot of shaking. Step 3. Once the butter is formed, open up the jar. You will see the butter sitting in the liquid. Now strain it to separate the butter from the buttermilk. Oh, and that's how buttermilk got its name. It's the liquid left over from making butter. Now place the butter into a bowl. Step 4. Now let's spread some of the butter onto a slice of bread. Wow, that's it! Homemade butter in under 30 minutes.
So what do you think about our homemade butter?
It's so yummy!
Well, there you have it. So give this homemade butter a try. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.